Hey everyone, my name is Autumn. For those of you who do not know me or are new to my channel, I do a bunch of cleaning videos, organizational videos, cooking videos. Tonight I'm going to be doing a closet organizational. I'm gonna be doing the Marie Kondo method. I'm thinking I'm gonna first start with pulling everything out of my closet, which is over there, pulling everything off the hangers, and go through each and every one of the items and seeing which one I want to keep, which one I want to donate. I do already have some already in a basket that is behind me. I've had them in a bag trying to donate them, just never gotten around to it, so I pulled them out of the bag and now they're in a laundry basket behind me. And on the bed next to me, I for one have a cat. So I have that next to me, and then I also have already clothes because I just did laundry and I just kept them well, I somewhat folded them and just kept them on my bed. And so right now I'm going to pull everything from my closet and see what items I want to keep and which ones I want to and which ones I want to throw away. All right, let's get started. Because it was only $12 at Marshall's. I don't think I'll ever wear it. Alright, so this is what it's turning out to be. These are all my work clothes, so kind of can't get rid of them all that much because I do need them. These are all my like everyday clothes, and then that's my special occasion, and these need to be put somewhere else. They're my cardigans. So far so good. Getting rid of quite a lot of clothes so far. There's probably about a dozen items in there probably. this at 8:38 and now it is 9:58. So it took a little bit longer than I wanted. Definitely going to be doing the drawers and the dresser behind me next video. Didn't go through any shoes because I did do that already a couple of weeks ago, but happy with how my closet turned out, and hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.